Welcome to my channel. How to reset Netgear Orbi RBR20 Mesh Wi-Fi Router Step-by-Step Factory Reset Guide. First, make sure your Orbi RBR20 router is powered on and properly connected to electricity. The reset will not work if it's off. Look at the back of your router and locate the small reset button pinhole. Take a paperclip or a pin, as you'll need it to press the reset button since it's inside the hole. Insert the paperclip gently into the pinhole to press the reset button. Keep holding the button for about 10 seconds until the power LED changes. Once you see the power LED start blinking amber, orange, release the button. Now the router will automatically reboot, and this may take a few minutes. When the reboot is finished, the LED will turn solid white, which means the reset is complete. At this point, your Orbi RBR20 has been restored to its factory default settings. Finally, set up your router again just like new using the Orbi app or the web browser login page.